Okay guys, today we're doing a tour of the Hoilday Inn Resort. This is a beautiful hotel. I didn't actually stay here. I was staying in a hotel next door. I did this tour early in the morning before 7 o'clock. You see water on the ground. It rained all night. This is Bophut Beach. Beautiful beach, really quiet in the mornings, but at night it gets a little busy sometimes. This is really close to Fisherman's Village, if you know that area. Look at the size of this pool. This is from the beach side looking in towards the hotel. It's a really long pool. I'm gonna go to this hotel as a 9.1 out of 10 rating, which is pretty amazing in my opinion, but only 1,128 reviews. How about a swim up bar? That's pretty cool. Right now, this hotel is going for the starting price 8,900 baht. That's before taxes. That's $260. It's not cheap. It's considered 4.5 stars. There's looking out towards the beach. This place got a lot of rooms. It's a big hotel, that's for sure. Bophut Beach is not far from the airport, on that corner of the island. It's just swimming pool forever. It just goes and goes and goes. Place is huge. Very nice though, yeah? Like I said, early in the morning, nobody around. Very quiet. It's even got a little waterfall. And there it is looking towards the beach again. Just a few sun chairs. This is out the front beside the road. The entranceway here is really cool, and the lobby where you check in. It's got some monkeys in the tree. Check this out. There's got to be 1,000,000 pieces of bamboo hanging off the ceiling. Very cool, very unique. And look at the size of this fan. That's very cool, yeah? Breakfast, it was early in the morning. They were just sitting up for breakfast. There was a couple of people eating, but not very many. So much food in here. Everything looked really good. Just a few cakes. That's a good way to start your day. Bacon does look a little overdone for my liking, but there was lots of it there. Alright guys, there it is. Tour of the Hoilday Inn, Bophut in Koh Samui. Really cool hotel, one worth checking out if you're in the area. As always, thanks for watching. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. She looks like a good one, that's for sure.